Hey, happy Sunday morning, everybody. I'm here with my friend Ed, and we're getting ready to take off in the NBC chopper. We're going down to Venice. Apparently there's some motorcycle protesting for the Black Lives Matter and the whole situation that we're dealing with right now. Everybody that's out there, speak your mind, get your words out, do it peacefully. We don't need any more damage than we have, and it doesn't further the cause by burning down some guy's building because you're upset of what happened. What happened was horrible, and it needs to be handled, but we need to handle it correctly. So I'm going to be taking off right now in the north here, so we're going to be taking off on runway 30, and we'll get that on film. So to help out our friend, hit like and subscribe. And I'm Jim Pollard, and I'm going to be taking off now, and watch us on NBC4.
All right, thank you, Jim. Flight safe.